Hi friend, I'm Laia. Welcome to this yoga flow to feel good. This class is ideal for rainy and gloomy days, not only outside, but also when you are feeling a little bit down and you want to reconnect to your inner light and feel good. We're going to start in child's pose. So bring your big toes to touch, separate your knees, and either lengthen your arms forwards or make a pillow with your hands and rest your forehead down. And for a moment, make yourself as comfy as you possibly can, and then a little bit more. And let's just take 3 breaths together to arrive in through the nose, letting it expand. Out through the nose or the mouth, softening down toward the earth. 2 more like that. Inhale, noticing the expansion, especially into the back body. Let it go. 1 more inhale. And exhale. Massage your forehead from temple to temple. Gently move your hips from side to side as you notice how you arrive in this practice. Becoming aware of the sensations in your physical body, but also what's going on in your mind and what you are allowing to take up space and importance. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, come up to your fingertips as you lengthen your arms forward, lift your elbows, gaze forward. Exhale, melt back down toward the earth. Again, inhale, lift your chest, lift your gaze. Exhale, melt back down. Press through your palms, keep your knees wide, and as you inhale, shift your weight forward. Lift your toes off the floor and surrender your hips forward and down as you lift your chest. Your big toes remain connected or toward one another. Exhale, press back, engaging your core, and send your hips all the way back toward child's pose. 2 more times like that. Inhale, shift forward, surrender your hips down as you open through your chest. Take your gaze up if you'd like. Exhale, take it back to child's pose. Last one. Inhale, rippling forward. Open the front of the body. Relax your shoulders down and away from the ears. Exhale, bring it back to child's pose. Bring your hands toward the knees and your knees toward one another. Lift your torso up, and as you inhale, take your arms out and up. Unite your palms overhead. Interlace your hands. And on your exhalation, draw your elbows down and in front of you, and take a moment to move your wrists one way in circles or circle 8s. And then the other. Breathe in. And breathe out. Lift away from the heels. Inhale, take your arms out and up. Palms unite. Exhale, draw your hands together in front of your heart. Now open your arms out to the side. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, take your right arm over the left. Give yourself a little hug. Inhale, open your arms out again. Exhale, left arm over right. Give yourself a little hug. Open your arms out. Inhale. Exhale, lower your hands to the floor. Find yourself in a hands and knees position, tabletop. Press down through the fingertips and bring your knees about hips distance. On your inhalation, take your right leg behind you. Keep your toes on the floor or lift them up. Engage your glute. Exhale, draw your right knee to your chest and bring your right foot between your hands. For some of us, it may help you to grab your ankle with your hand and slide it forward. Frame your right foot with both hands. Lift your chest and remain here. Inhale. Exhale, send your hips back. Extend your right leg any amount. 1 more. Inhale, shift forward. Lift your chest. Exhale, shift back. Shift forward into your low lunge again. Inhale, this time take your arms all the way up. Exhale, open them out to the sides like a T. Lift your chest, breathe in. Breathe out, right arm over left. Give yourself a hug, or maybe bring the backs of the hands or the palms of the hands to touch for eagle arms. Continue to press down through your right foot. Draw your right hip back and your left hip forwards. Inhale. Exhale. Lift your arms out and up. Breathe in. Breathe out, frame your right foot with both hands. Inhale to lift your chest in your low lunge. Exhale, hinge at your hips, extend your right leg any amount. Keep your left hand on the floor. Inhale, right hand to your right hip or extend it up toward the ceiling. Exhale, lower your right hand all the way back down. Shift your weight forward, low lunge, breathe in. Breathe out, plant your hands firmly, slide your right leg behind you. Inhale, toes to the floor. Exhale, move your left foot to the left, pivot your right heel to the left. Inhale, right hand to the hip or lift it up. Move your right ankle, or not right ankle, right wrist in circles one way and then the other. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, right hand down, right knee down for tabletop. Shift your weight forward and slide your knees slightly back, finding a knee plank. Inhale. Exhale, squeezing the elbows to the side body, lower all the way down to your abdomen. Keep your hands underneath your shoulders. Inhale, peel your chest off the floor, rolling your shoulders back and down. Exhale, bring yourself back to tabletop. Realign until you find yourself steady here. Inhale, take your left leg behind you, toes on the ground or floating. Exhale, draw your left knee toward your chest, left foot between your hands. Take a moment to find stability in your low lunge, framing your left foot with both hands. Inhale to lift the chest a bit more, surrendering your hips forward. Exhale, send your hips back, stack them over your right leg, and extend your left leg any amount. Inhale, shift forward, open up to the front body, lift your chest. Exhale, take it back to half split. Inhale, back into your low lunge, sweep your arms all the way up. Exhale, open your arms out to the sides like a T. Squeeze your shoulder blades gently toward one another. Inhale. Exhale, left arm over right, hands toward opposite shoulders, or maybe find eagle arms. Breathe in. Breathe out. Unravel your arms, lift them all the way out and up. Inhale. Exhale, frame your left leg with both hands. Extend your left leg any amount. Right hand stays down. Inhale, left hand to the hip as you twist or extend it up. Take a couple of circles with the wrist one way and then the other. Inhale. Exhale, lower your left hand back down. Frame your left leg with both hands. Find stability. And on your inhalation, take your left leg behind you. Exhale, move your right foot to the right. Left heel pivots also to the right. Inhale, take your left arm up. Exhale, lower back down. Shift into your knee plank. Inhale, engage your core. Exhale, lower to your abdomen. Hands underneath your shoulders. Inhale, peel your chest off the floor. Exhale, take your hips back, tuck your toes under, and send your hips up and back for down dog, or stay in tabletop again. You can choose whatever works for you best. Take a moment to find movement or stillness. What would feel good right here, right now, even if it's just 1% of goodness. Breathe in. Breathe out. Gaze toward the top of the mat. Inhale. And on your exhalation, take as many steps as you need or want to bring your feet parallel to one another. Your hands could be on the ground, on your shins, on your thighs. Inhale, lengthen your spine, flat back. Exhale, bend the knees enough to surrender your upper body over the legs and relax your head down. Catch opposite elbows here and let yourself sway side to side. Or maybe pinch the tops of the ears with your fingers and massage your ears. Great way to release tension, stress, and anxiety. Wherever you are, move or find stillness. Inhale. Exhale. Allow your arms to dangle once again. Press evenly through your feet. Inhale, rise up. Take your arms out to the sides and all the way up. Unite your palms. Maybe your gaze follows. And on the exhalation, bring your hands together in front of your heart and then surrender them next to your hips. Take a moment to move back and forth or side to side, finding your balance, finding your center, even if it's just for this one breath. Inhale. Exhale. Reach your arms up. Take a deep breath in. Palms unite overhead. Gaze up. Exhale. Bend your knees. Fold forward. Relax your head all the way down. Inhale. Lift your chest halfway. Frame your right foot with your hands. Exhale. Step your left foot back. Lower your left knee down to the ground or keep it lifted. It's up to you. Inhale. Take your arms all the way up. Exhale. Open them to the sides. Right arm over left. Inhale, cross to the elbows. Exhale, bend your elbows and hands toward opposite shoulders or eagle arms. Breathe in. Breathe out. Release your arms, lift them up. Inhale. Exhale, frame your right foot with both hands. Take your right leg behind you. Both knees are on the ground or lifted for plank. Breathe in. Breathe out, lower knees, chest and chin to the floor. Inhale, peel your chest off the ground. Cobra. Exhale, bring your hips back. Stay in tabletop or find your way to downward facing dog. Take a deep inhalation and a long, slow exhalation. From tabletop or downward dog, take your right leg up and back. Now turn your toes to the right and bend your right knee, opening through your hip a bit more. Inhale. Exhale, circle your right knee toward your chest. Keep your hips high so that you can step your right foot between your hands. Giving it help or not is up to you. Keep your left heel off the ground for a moment. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, extend through the right leg. Again, inhale, bend your knee, lift your chest. Exhale, extend through your right leg. Now pivot your left heel to the ground. Bring your right hand anywhere on your right leg. And as you inhale, start to open up toward the left. Your left hand could find your hip, drawing your left shoulder back. Or maybe your left arm reaches up for triangle pose. One more breath wherever you are. Breathe in. Breathe out. Press through both feet. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, left arm to your left leg. Right arm scoops up as if you were painting the ceiling. Take it as far back as feels good. One more breath. Inhale and exhale. Bring your arms parallel to the horizon. Bend your right knee, finding warrior two for a moment. Inhale here. Exhale, bring your hands together in front of your heart. Pivot forward. Square your hips again. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, step your left foot next to the right at the top of the mat. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, continue to flow as you fold forward. Let yourself feel whatever is there to be felt. Inhale, lengthen through your spine, frame your left foot, step your right foot back. You could lower your right knee or keep it off the floor. It's up to you. Breathe in and breathe out. On your inhalation, take your arms up. And on the exhalation, open them to the sides again. Breathe in. Breathe out, left arm over right, hands toward opposite shoulders or eagle arms. Inhale here. Exhale. Open your arms, lift them up. Inhale. Exhale, frame your left foot with both hands. Find a knee plank or a plank. Deep breath in. Exhale, slowly lower yourself down. Inhale, lift your chest for your back bend of choice. Open up the front body. Exhale, take your hips up and back. Find your way to tabletop or downward dog. Ground into your right leg on your hands. Inhale, take your left leg up, turn your toes to the left, and bend through your knee. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale, circle your left knee toward your chest. Keep your hips high. Step your left foot between your hands. Right knee remains off the floor if you'd like. Breathe in your lunge. Breathe out to extend your left leg. Inhale, bend your left knee. Exhale, extend your left leg. If your right knee is on the ground, lift it up and then pivot your right heel to the floor. Left hand anywhere on your left leg or thigh. Inhale, right hand to your right hip as you draw your right shoulder back. Stay here or extend your right arm up and breathe. Press through your feet. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, right arm to your right leg. Left arm scoops up and back. Ground down through your left heel and reach up through your left hand. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bring your torso to neutral, arms to the horizon. Inhale. Exhale, bend your left knee into warrior two. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. Pivot forward, square your hips. Inhale. Exhale, right foot next to the left, top of the mat. Release your arms. Let yourself sway back and forth for a moment. And I invite you to consider, what is it like to feel good in your own skin? Breathe in and breathe out. Bring your arms forward. Inhale. And on your exhalation, bring your hands to your hips as you bend your knees, coming into chair pose. Your hands could stay on your hips, drawing your elbows toward one another. Or you could take your arms forward or up by your ears. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, bring your palms together in front of your heart. Extend your arms, extend your legs. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, hands in front of your heart, fall forward, relax your head. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, plant your hands, step your feet back for plank. Breathe in. Breathe out, lower knees, chest and chin, or chaturanga. Inhale, lift your chest for your back bend. Exhale, bring your big toes to touch, separate your knees, send your hips back toward the heels and extend your arms forward. Inhale, breathe into the back body. Exhale to relax. Press into your palms, lift your head. Inhale, shift forward, toes connect. Hips go forward and down, lift your chest just like we did at the beginning. Open up. And exhale, return to your child's pose. Move your forehead from side to side. Move your hips from side to side. Breathe in. And breathe out. Pause the movement. Draw your hands toward your knees and your knees toward one another. Lengthen your spine. Relax your shoulders back and down. Lift your chest. And take a moment to notice how you feel in your body. What's going on in your mind. And how you feel emotionally and energetically. Interlace your hands behind your back, extending the arms as much as feels good. Lift your chest, inhale. And on the exhalation, take your chest over the legs and fold forward there, or shift away from the heels and see if you can bring the crown of your head to the floor. So your gaze is toward your legs or even toward your belly button. And wherever pose you choose, maybe your hands are closer to your tailbone, or maybe they lift up toward the head. Breathe. One more breath, inhale. And on the exhalation, first release the arms. Slowly press yourself up. And surrender your hips to one side, bringing your legs around. You can shake out your legs a little bit. And then bring yourself to a comfortable seat. Any seat that works for you right now. Let your hands rest on your lap or your knees. Palms face down first. Relax your shoulders. Breathe in through the nose. Open your mouth inside out. Let yourself feel 1% better, whatever that means to you right now. Observing how you feel in your body and your mind, the way in which the energy and the breath are flowing through you. And consider, where can you invoke or tap into this goodness in the rest of your day? When you feel gloomy, when you feel low or gray, bring both hands over your heart if that resonates with you. Noticing your heartbeat. Recognizing that right here, right now, you are well and you are alive. Breathe in, letting it expand front to back, side to side, top to bottom. Hold this abundance at the top and side out. Release your hands. And once you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you have enjoyed this yoga practice to feel good, whether the day is gloomy or not, whether you were feeling down or not. I hope that you have been able to tap into the light and the warmth within you and that it powers you through the rest of your day. I hope that you've enjoyed this class. If so, I invite you to also check out these, and I look forward to practicing with you again soon. Until then, take care of yourself and be well.